video. This is in connection with the video that was aired where there was a bareback, a very obese man, feeding a child, while feeding the child, was beating the child fell on the ground, but we heard a woman's voice in the background. So I want to believe that I've located the said woman. I've made a lot of breakthroughs in this story already with respect to the grandmother of the child who's in Bahamas. With respect to the father of the child, child, the man that was beating the child is not the father. The woman voice that was heard behind while that was going on is not the mother of the child. What's happening? Okay. This is your daughter, miss?
Yes, it
Thank
is.
you. Can I speak to her?
Yeah.
Thank you. Tell me something. That video, where was it taped?
Upstairs there.
Upstairs there. Right. Police visited here for the morning.
No.
No police up to now came to your home?
They came the night, but they didn't came this
So
morning.
nobody really located anything as yet. Nobody really make no breakthrough. Where's the fat man who was beating the child?
We don't know. The same night and his wife left with the child and went by the corner and gave the child mother the child because his wife called the child mother and tell the child mother.
That is his son, the boy there.
No.
How did his number so? Who? Who did? Yeah, get the picture from her. Go ahead.
And she told the child mother that how I was beating up her child, so come for her child. When it wasn't me.
Were you videotaping the entire thing? You are the person who was videotaping.
And they didn't know.
Oh, so who was the voice in the background?
His wife.
His wife.
His wife was the
No,
one
I
that saying
found
it
out.
good.
Okay, I now understand. Now, if it weren't for you, this would have never. If it weren't for this little girl here, this would have nobody would have never known. You understand? How long this child has been staying here?
I don't really know.
Huh?
It's
What is the man name in the video?
everybody know him as Jalo, but his
But
name is
if
Dexter
all of
Gomez. Reason my mommy told me to stay away from them because of the same child. Because the last time I was upstairs, he beat the child and burst her lip and tell her it's not him that burst her lip. She fell down and burst her lip for
I will deal with
herself.
him. I'll find him. I will deal with him. I will really deal with him. But Miss, here now, you make me walking around by this kind of line running and thing, right? Tell me something. The man is known to you, right?
Not known to me.
Yes,
I know him. Yeah, I know him as well, my brother-in-law.
Oh, your brother-in-law.
Ex-brother-in-law.
Your ex-brother-in-law.
Yes.
All right. If that's your ex-brother-in-law, so the woman voice behind is your sister.
No, she's a Jamaican.
She's a Jamaican.
Yes.
So
That is not my
mother
sister.
dropped the child here.
Yeah.
Right. So they've been taking care of the child because the mother is a Jamaican
Yeah.
and the child is a Trinidadian. The father of that child is in Jamaica.
I'm not sure.
Yeah,
I already,
I have
I
located
don't,
the father
yeah.
already. After that, so this guy, the obese guy, I have pictures of him. What they call him?
Jalo.
What?
Jalo.
Jalo. You can relax. You can relax. Jalo. All right. Where Jalo works?
I think he worked taxi.
Taxi. What kind of car he drives?
A white
A B15.
B15.
You'll have the number of the B15?
PBU 40 something.
PBU 40 something? What, you're real good? Give me a bongs there. PBU 40 something, a white B15. All right, Jalo. What area he works at?
Nobody stopped work. He worked
Uh-huh.
from Curab to Marcus.
Curab to Maracas?
But
Yeah.
now he works from
The
Dago.
children will speak for the children. The children will make sure and speak for the child. Go ahead. What's that?
He worked from Dago to from down the hill from San Fernando to Dago. But he stopped work. He used to work from Curie up to Marcus and Marcus to
Okay,
Curie.
Jello. How long they been staying here in this house?
He lives here.
Oh, he lives here?
Yeah.
So how long they had that child in their company?
I cannot say because my dad passed away September and his 40 days was earlier this
So you
month.
don't live around here?
Yeah, I live right here. And we left for my father 40 days, but the child was not here. So when we came back after 9 days after.
So when you see this little child, you don't ask any questions, right?
No, I already don't talk to them.
So you don't talk to your ex-brother-in-law?
No.
Oh, so
We
you
don't
want,
ask.
so that is his woman or something?
That is his wife.
That is his wife.
Yeah.
What is her name?
Yannick.
Yannick.
Yeah.
Yannick what?
Taylor.
Yannick Taylor from Jamaica.
Yeah.
Right.
But she married to Dexter Gobin.
So Dexter Gomez is a fat man?
Yeah.
Right. How old is Dexter?
I have no idea.
Go ahead.
You could talk to your brother. I know your brother there.
Where you brother? Let me talk to you, brother. Come. Only mud. Hi. You are the brother of Dexter?
Yeah.
Where can we locate him?
I have no idea.
You have a phone number for him? You must have a phone number for him.
I have a phone number for him, but it's switch off. 295
Hold a second. Mm-hmm.
6029.
Okay. And he's not answering it.
No.
What That's your brother. What's this this thing that he's trying to make some changes and whatnot? But tell me something.
Voicemail.
Yeah. But tell me something. Is this the first time? I mean, you saw the video by now. I'm sure you saw the video. But I mean, I'm hearing stories of that was not the first time that child was beaten like that.
No, well, that's what we understand.
Have you ever seen him beat the child in front of you?
No. Because, I mean, they upstairs there, we down here, everybody living the life.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
So. And you're living here and you're good.
Yeah.
Oh, but you really are nothing to do with this, so I'm putting you in it, all right? You're just the brother of the man that we are looking for. What is his full name?
Dexter Gobin.
Dexter Gobin, and his alias, his nickname?
Jalo.
Right. So, hey, so this is Dexter, brother. He has nothing to do with These children has nothing to do with that, all right?
No.
So you stay up, man.
Yeah.
Keep with it. Look
But
like
you know him, that's the guy was on your program when he and his wife lose a baby in Mount Up. He was on your program once. A big fat guy, yeah.
What did he lose that baby?
Sometime
What's
last.
going on with you, boy? Way you so bright. You know everything, boy. You know car number and everything. Come and work for me, right? When did he lose that baby? Last year?
Last year, August.
Yeah,
Last year,
baby, and
August.
when he went to visit now, they disposed the child and all of that. He didn't
Oh,
get to see the
Dexter
child.
Bailey.
Yeah, Dexter Gobin.
Dexter Gobin. Let me call my office. Hold on.
Yeah, you have your name there.
Dexter Gobin. Hold on. Let me call my office and find out. Hold on. Let me call my office. Dexter Gobin. So ladies and gentlemen, see everybody I have touched in some way. Go ahead, just a second. Hold on. You all don't know when in August that happened? Last year.
Sometime last year. I can't remember the exact date.
Hello. Right. The child named Dexter Gobin was on Crime Watch in August. Last year. Right? And he had lost a child in Mount Hope. They're taking on the information. What's the mother's name? The child mother name?
Yanni Taylor.
Yanni Taylor was the child mother name.
No, not the child mother.
Yeah.
Yes, that his child mother name, Yanni Taylor.
The child that died.
Yeah.
This one too, a little getting low, yeah. Right?
Well, he think you're talking about the
Yanni
person.
Taylor.
Yeah.
Right? What was the child that died? The child name? The baby.
We don't know no
Yeah,
name.
but
No.
You don't know exactly when in August that happened?
No,
At
I
Mount
don't
Hope?
know. I just only know last year, August. I can't remember the day.
All right, last year, August. You think we could do anything with that? Dexter Bailey was on Crime Watch.
Gobin.
Dexter Gobin was on Crime Watch. Come in. Come in this way, miss. You need to tell me exactly what happened. You need to tell me everything. Everything. Come. Put on those papers and come and tell me. Come around. Come. Go ahead, tell me. Tell me exactly what happened. Go ahead, I'm listening.
In Mount Hope Hospital on Friday. She called me a little after 9 and told me she getting pain and she was crying. And I told her,
You see, when I come here, let me tell you something. See, when I come here, I want justice. I want to get justice. I want to deal with the people. So my head hot. Because when I hear this thing, this song outraged me. Like, totally outraged me. When I heard about this, I couldn't believe this happened in Trinidad. I couldn't believe his mother to go through this. You tell me that.
I told her to call the nurse and them and tell them she getting pain and they will give you an injection or some tablet or something. She said, all right. When it was about 20 to 11,
Which hospital?
Mount Up Maternity.
Go ahead.
She ball out and other patients call
How old is she?
21.
Come.
Right?
You come by me, come.
And when one of the nurses come, they put a machine on she and tell she the babies are right here in the heartbeat.
Go ahead, go ahead.
And she tell them, watch out on the bed wet. When they watch, the water bag had burst.
What did this happen?
Friday.
Friday gone?
22nd, yeah.
22nd.
Right?
Is
And
this your first child?
yeah.
Go ahead, I'll deal with them.
And
From the back? I can't do it. You have my shoes and thing, you know. Go ahead. Hey, what's going on? But you're not. Nobody can deal with you. Deal with them. Nobody. You want nothing to do with it? Yeah, you must say. Or you want nothing to do with it? You want this man to nothing to do with it? Or they have nothing to do with it? These other people have absolutely nothing to do with this. We're looking for the man who be the child, and that is it. Full stop. So nobody can threaten nobody. Nobody can threaten no sister, nothing. Look at that dog here and all kind of thing. Yes. Shh. Like Dexter don't clean this house.
No, they haven't cleaning here. They're
Oh.
pigeon doing that.
What is this? All right. All right. You have light or no light? You sure? All right, go ahead. You were sitting on right here. Oh, and you were sitting on right here.
Yeah.
Get the other girl for me. Get the other girl and tell me. She will tell me how it happened. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just showing you the extent of the investigation. We have located the house. We have located the area where he lives. I spoke to his brother-in-law. I spoke to his ex-sister-in-law. I've spoken to the father of the child in Jamaica. I've spoken to the grandmother who's living in Bahamas. Ladies and gentlemen, also. So he's the person of interest. These people are wrong. He has absolutely nothing. This girl here, come here, come girl. This girl here has nothing to do with this because if it weren't for her, we got permission from her mommy to chat with her. If it weren't for her, that she would not have been able. You know, I mean, nobody. Do you know? You saved that little girl's life? Do you know that because of you, what you have done? You deserve an award. Yeah, she deserves an award, the family. Because I'll tell you something, and it's not a matter, somebody to blame the brother-in-law, blame the brother. No, because they're downstairs in another apartment. So when things going on in here and people quarreling and everything, nobody know what's going on, the ex-sister-in-law. So people threatening the brother, they're threatening the ex-sister-in-law. Please don't do that. Because they have nothing to do with that. They don't live here, the brother-in-law, his brother has his children there, they go to school. What are they go to school today? I will deal with you after. All right. So they have absolutely nothing. So while you were taping, right? Just while hold.
To manage shallow, nah?
Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Ah. Yep. Ah. Ah.
You shall open your mouth.
Ah. Open it. Ah.
This is so much. This is so much time you have to tell she that you open your mouth. Hey, don't go and burn me. It's too hard.
Ah. If anything come on me. Ah. I don't care enough.
Bring the back for me. You look for that. Good.
Come here. Ah. Ah. Hey. Put on your hand. Ah. You want next one? Ah. Ah. Not
get Yannick, let me done first.
Go on. All this?
No. Ah.
You look for that T-shirt. This morning I'm not sorry for you. You ready to drink the tea when we give you? Would have to go through that. What is coming out from?
Chihuahua.
I really supposed to eat cheese for that, you know. You know why? Because she don't drink this. And we tell the mother that the girl like the chocolate one.
When we tell she that last night, she said she bought that was she accustomed to me. The song up before. I fed up as she right now.